My name is Jason Moore. I'm the general manager at Kia of Conyers, which means I pretty much run the day-to-day operations as far as sales, parts, service, guiding the team, I guess, to get where we need to be and do what we're supposed to do. Before we got the new system, the new Intorrent system, we had numerous phone calls. Customers said they called, there was a busy signal, said the phone was disconnected. Every time that it rained, our phone system shut down. We talked to our service provider. They said it was just our area, that the phone lines were bad, the phone lines were underwater. Didn't make sense. You couldn't get any straight answer out of the phone service. But now, since we've installed the Intorrent system, things are running smooth. Intorrent worked with me and looked at my entire telecom and IT operation. They looked at my phone service, local and long distance, my internet service, and they put a package together for me to where actually my monthly expenses went down with the Intorrent system. I wasn't spread out all over the place. It was one solid package. We have our system set up to when somebody calls in, they can get directed straight to our sales department if they're looking for our sales department. They can get directed straight to our service department or our parts department. So most of the time when you call places, you have to get a huge runaround where you need to go. If you're looking for a part, you don't need to be talking to a sales guy out front trying to sell you a car. So we have every phone call that comes in gets directed to the right department it needs to get to. So our sales, if somebody calls in for sales, we can track who's calling, which salesperson they're talking to. We can also, with a click of a button, listen in, and if the salesperson's trying to close the customer over the phone, we can speak to that salesperson and kind of give them some tips to overcome the objection of the customer coming into the store and buying a car. With our service and parts department, we can track the calls that are coming in, and we've noticed that our customers have kind of been complaining that it's taken too long for service to get done on their car. Well, with the reports that I can pull from the Intorrent system, I can see that when we promise the customer the car will be ready, the car has actually been ready. It's just been our fault into making the phone call and tell the customer that the car is done on time. So with the Intorrent system, I can pull the report and see when the calls are actually being made. With our long-term customers, they've noted that now when they call, somebody actually answers the phone, that they're not put off in space to a computer saying leave a message or please dial at another extension. Just make our customer service index, which Kia guides on how we treat our customers. Since we've done the Intorrent system, our score has actually gone up 10%. With the better handling of our customers and our reports that we can pull to see that everything's done in an organized manner, it'll help build our customer satisfaction, which in turn will bring more people back into the dealership to buy cars.